Good morning, my dear students. In this session, we are going to discuss about insect body organization. Insect body organization refers to the structural arrangement of an insect's body parts. See here body segmentation in insect. Insect body generally contain 20 segments, that is, head contain 6 segments, thorax contains 3 segments, and abdomen contains 11 segments. Insect body is differentiated into 3 regions, that is head region, thoracic region, and abdominal region. Each region is also known as tagmata, that is head tagmata, thoracic tagmata, and abdominal tagmata. Each tagmata is composed of group of segment, that is 6 segment in the head, 3 segments in the thorax, and 9 to 11 segment in the abdomen. That is, grouping a body segment into a distinct region is known grouping a body segment into a distinct region is known as tagmosis. The arrangement of the body segment in the embryonic stage is known as primary segmentation, while in adult insect is known as secondary segmentation. See here the structure of insect head. Insect head, it is the anterior most tagmata of the insect body. Head capsule is sclerotized and articulated with the appendages such as antenna, such as antenna, eyes, and mouth parts. Head capsule without appendages and with only scleroid is known as cranium. Head capsule, it is made up of 6 segments, that is 1 ocular segment, antennal segment, intercalary segment, mandibular segment, maxillary segment, and labial segment, and provided with the following appendages, that is eyes, antenna, and mouth parts. Then what is the function of the head in insect? Head, it is mainly concerned with the feeding and sensory perception. See here the sclerites and suture of insect head. In the insect head or insect head capsule is formed by the union of several number of cuticular plates, that is labrum, clypeus, frans. Frans is the largest sclerate of the insect head, next vertex, next ocular sclerate, antennal sclerate, occiput, and post-occiput. All these sclerates are combinedly form a head capsule. That is, head capsule is formed by the union of number of cuticular plates are known as sclerates. These sclerates are joined together by means of cuticular line or ridges are known as suture. See here, suture of insect head. The cuticular plates are joined together. The cuticular plates are joined together by means of cuticular lines or ridges are known as the suture. See here the different suture. This is the clypeolabral suture, next epistomal suture, next antennal suture, genal suture, ocular suture, and epicranial suture. Epicranial suture is also known as line of weakness or ecdysial suture because the exuvial membrane split along this suture during the process of molting or ecdysis. See here, this is the post-occipital suture, and this is the only real suture of insect head. It's so called because it separates insect head from the neck. See here the types of insect head. Based on the bending or inclination of long axis of the head and orientation of the mouth parts. There are three different types of insect heads, that is hypognathous head, prognathous head, and opistognathous head. See first about hypognathous head. Hypo means below, gnatha means jaw. Here the mouth parts are directed in downward direction. This is also known as orthopterate type of head. Here the long axis of the head is vertical. Long axis of the head is vertical and it is at right angle to the long axis of the body. In this case, the mouth parts are ventrally placed and projected downward. This type of head is found in grasshopper, locust, and cockroach. Next, prognathous head. Pro means front, gnatha means jaw. Here, the mouth parts are directed in forward direction. This is also known as coleopterate type of head. Here the long axis of the head is horizontal and in line with the long axis of the body. Mouth parts are directed in forward direction and this type of head is found in beetles and weevils. Next, opistognathous head. Opisto means behind or back. Gnatha means jaw. Here the mouth parts are directed in back side direction or in backward direction. This is also known as hemipterate type or opisthorhynchus type of head. Here head is deflexed and mouth parts are directed backward and held in between the forelegs. See, the mouth parts are directed in the backward direction present in between the forelegs. This type of head is found in stink bug and red cotton bugs. That's why this type of head are known as hemipterate type of head or opisthodrhynchus type of head. Next, what do you mean by procephalon and gnathocephalon? See here oral cavity. Preoral region is known as procephalon. Post-oral region is known as gnathocephalon. Thank you. In the next session, we will discuss about insect neck, thorax and its appendages, abdomen and its appendages.